This is a tutorial on the LEGO Mindstorms EV3 software. In this video, I'll show you where everything is and how to use the software. So let's get started. First up, we'll open up a new project. Simply click this plus button in the corner. So we already have one block ready for us. This block is the play button. This is the start of a code. In order to make a code, you simply click and drag blocks from the toolbar here and snap them into place. The toolbar is divided into a number of colors. These colors represent different types of blocks. The green blocks are the action blocks. These blocks make your robot do something, like driving a motor, displaying something on the screen, making a sound, or even changing the color of your brick buttons. The orange section is flow control. As you can see, we have our play button from before, a wait block, a loop block, a switch block, and a loop interrupt. Next, we have the yellow section, the sensors. These blocks can be used to get an input from sensors that are connected onto your EV3 robot. Don't worry if you don't have some of these sensors, they can be downloaded from the internet. Next, we have the red section, data operations. These are used for advanced EV3 codes, which require variables, maths, arrays, or other logic operations. Next, we have the advanced section. In the advanced section, these blocks are not normally used in EV3 programs, so I won't get to them in this tutorial. Finally, we have the teal colored section, My Blocks. In this section, you have the ability to create custom blocks. I'll get back to that in another video. In the side here, in the bottom right hand corner, we have the brick information. So right now, we're in the port and view section. In this, you can see which motors or sensors are connected onto my robot. As you can see, I have two motors in port A and B, and one infrared sensor in port 1. You can also see available bricks, which bricks are available to connect onto your computer. As you can see, I only have one robot, which is connected via USB. Finally, you can go to brick information, where you can rename your robot. I'm just going to call it robot. And you can also open the memory browser, from where you can see which programs are already on your robot. This button over here is used to download a code onto your robot from your computer. This button is download and run, so it'll download the code from your robot, onto your robot, and it will play the code instantly. This isn't really recommended if you're connected via USB, but if you're connected via Bluetooth, this tool is quite handy, as you won't have to keep on unplugging every time. So, each project can have a number of subprojects, I should say. So, to get a new program, click this button and select New Program. In order to make them not confusing, you can rename them yourself. So I'm just going to name this one Test 1, and I'll name this one Test 2. So each of these programs can be different. As you can see, Test 2 is not the same as Test 1. You can use this to have as many programs as you want in a single project. So that's about it for this tutorial. So in the future videos, I'll show you how you can use each of these blocks to make yourself a code. So good luck!